What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. You know I always got your back in terms of becoming your most attractive version ever. And that's why I will show you in today's video my top 5 hair care essentials that every man should have. Those hair care essentials will instantly help you to get healthy and better looking hair as well. So if you want to upgrade your hair and your attractiveness to the next level, then definitely make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we're going to start with today's video, just take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below. Become part of the family, because I will upload every single day a new video to help you to become your best version possible. So guys, make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Alright guys, let's start with the first hair care essential that every man should have, which is simply a natural, high quality shampoo. A crucial mistake that a lot of men are making is simply using a cheap shampoo that contains a lot of chemicals as well. I mean, if you want to look your best, you can't use crappy products. Save your money instead and invest in a high quality shampoo that contains mostly or only natural ingredients. Because in the long term you will save a lot of money and pain through that. Because if you use a cheap shampoo that contains a lot of chemicals, you will destroy your hair step by step. Let's continue with the second hair care essential that every man should have, which is simply Argan Oil. This is definitely my favorite hair and skincare essential. It has so many incredible benefits and I always see an instant effect after using it. But be careful guys, there are actually different type of argan oils, because you need an argan oil that is made for cosmetic use only, and not one that is made for cooking as well. It is very important, otherwise you will not experience its full effect. And also make sure that it is cold pressed. I will link you the one that I'm currently using in the description of this video so you can check it out. And let's continue with number 3, a good hair conditioner. As you should not wash your hair every day with shampoo, I would definitely recommend to wash it sometimes with a conditioner. But again, don't buy the cheapest conditioner that you can find, because most of them will only harm the health of your hair. Always check the ingredients first and only buy a conditioner that is mostly or only made out of natural ingredients. Let's continue with number 4, a good hairbrush that is not damaging your hair. Yes, even the type of hairbrush has an effect on the health of your hair. But the kind of hairbrush highly depends on the type of hair you got, so I can't recommend one that fits everyone. You need to check what kind of hair you got, for example if it is thinner or thicker, and then decide which hairbrush will do the best job. And last but not least guys, in order to have healthier and thicker hair, you need to make sure that you supply enough nutrients. Especially zinc and biotin has an incredible effect on your hair and skin as well. That's why I would definitely recommend to buy a supplement that contains both of them. So you can always secure that your body has enough to grow healthy and thicker hair. And of course I will link you the supplement that I'm currently using right now in the description of this video so you can check it out. And that's basically it for today's video. Those are my 5 hair care essentials that every man should have. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Also guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel as well, become part of the family, because guys I will upload every single day a new video to help you to become your best version possible. Thank you so much for watching guys, see you in the next video.